Hello, everyone. Are you looking for a job in the USA that doesn't require a university degree or many years of experience? Today, I'm breaking down the 2026 warehouse market. We're talking about salaries of $18 to $22 per hour at big companies like Amazon, Walmart, and FedEx. Why are these warehouse jobs so popular? Because the barrier to entry is low. Most companies only require a high school diploma. In 2026, the average starting pay is around $18.50 per hour. With overtime, many workers are earning over $40,000 a year, no degree needed, weekly pay, and real chances for promotion. These are the main advantages. Now, let's talk about the big three companies that are always hiring. Amazon is known for very fast hiring, sometimes without any interview. Walmart offers great stability and good benefits. FedEx is perfect if you like high-energy physical work. Common roles include picker, packer, stower, and loader. If you stay just 6 months and get your forklift certification, your pay can jump by $3 to $5 per hour immediately. The most important part is how to apply safely. Always apply directly on the official websites, hiring.amazon.com, careers.walmart.com, and careers.fedex.com. For international viewers, look for H-2B visa sponsors only on the official U.S. Department of Labor website. Remember this important rule. A real U.S. employer will never ask you for money to give you a job. Never pay any recruiter. If anyone asks for visa fees or cash up front, it is a scam. I'm Daloyar Hassan. Save this video, apply directly, and start building your future in the USA. Drop a comment and tell me which of the big three you would apply to first. Subscribe for the next guide on agricultural jobs with free housing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.